Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. For most of you, hopefully some of you, Taco Tuesday. Nope, not in this house. Not today. We did Mexican yesterday, the taco soup. We did tacos yesterday. The taco soup was very good. We still have plenty of leftovers. The secret to the taco soup, it's not the canned ingredients. It's the spices and herbs that you use. So I encourage you to use a taco seasoning blend of your own. I will post mine up. I actually changed mine up a little bit yesterday. So I will post the soup recipe and my updated taco seasoning recipe. Tonight, Robin and I are playing tag team. You're going to be seeing this more and more here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, that Robin and I are going to be tag teaming weekly dinners. Robin is wanting to get more into the kitchen. So today, this has been on the suggested menu for months. And that is a Chinese chicken salad. Something easy to do, and has lots of flavor. I've already done all the mise en place. I have everything. And I will be doing most of the prep for Robin. So let's take a look. Not a little bit of hardware, not a lot. It's a salad. I've got boneless, skinless chicken, which I will be actually cooking for Robin, but she wants to do the shredding. We've got some romaine hearts and purple or red cabbage, shredded carrots, a large can of mandarin oranges because Robin and I both love them, and I promised Robin I wouldn't open the can until she got home, so I won't eat them. Some slivered almonds, green onions, and a package of ramen. For the dressing, which Robin wants to do the duties in honor of being a mad mixologist, has honey, this is a light soy sauce, sesame oil, we're using olive oil, hoisin, ginger, a little bit of rice vinegar, and garlic. So that is what really makes this Chinese. Today is pepper day. My greens are still doing really well. Yes, they are. All right, on this Tuesday, this taco or terrific Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.